When you sit on your potty chair, sometimes it can take a long time for you to go potty, and that's okay. But there are lots of things you can do while you're sitting on the potty. I like to read a book about princesses. Now, when you finish going potty, do you know what you have to do next? What you have to do is clean up and wipe your bottom. You use toilet paper to do that. All you have to do is pull on the first sheet, and more will roll out. That's pretty simple. Then, wipe your bottom. This is how to do it. Roll the toilet paper halfway to the floor. Tear off a few sheets. Fold the toilet paper to make a pad. Hold the toilet paper with your thumb in the front and your other 4 fingers supporting from the back. And wipe your bottom from front to back. After you wipe, keep the toilet paper low. If the toilet paper is still soiled, you can drop the pad in the potty bowl and start all over again. When the toilet paper is clean, you're all done wiping and cleaning your bottom. Now, after you've wiped your bottom, there's something else you have to do. Throw the toilet paper in the potty and then ask a grown-up to throw the pee, poop, and toilet paper from your potty chair into the grown-up potty. Then all you have to do is flush. To flush, all you have to do is pull the handle on the potty.